Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Zoom PodTrak P4. This just arrived this morning in the United Kingdom. Very excited. I've been waiting for this for several months, but it's been difficult, I think, for Zoom to keep up with the demand. It's very light. I believe the actual P4 only weighs roughly 290 grams without the battery, so the box itself is pretty light and small. And this is touted as the ultimate recorder for podcasters. It's interesting because I also have the Rodecaster Pro, which kind of sits stationary, so I wanted something that I could take with me to make podcasts and also to record audiobooks, which I think this will do very well. The box is just got a little bit of information on the back, with a few of the features which we'll go through, but I'm just really wanting to unbox this just to show you what it's like. So let's get right into it. So apparently the key features of the PodTrak P4 are so that you can make great podcasts anywhere. I believe that it has a generous amount of gain, 70 dB of gain, which allows you to use a selection of microphones, and it's got 11 Pro sound effects to spice up your programs, and headphone mixes are very easy to create, so very excited. So a very simple box. You've got, so when we first open it, we've just got some information and leaflets that accompany all of these items. It tells you what included items you should have, and that's the P4. It comes with a quick guide and 2 AA batteries, and that is it in the box, I believe. So there's your quick guide, several languages, and safety precautions and warranty. And that's about it for the paperwork. As said, 2 AA batteries. And here is the actual P4. Wow, it is light. Yes, 300 grams. That's amazing. I mean, it's all plastic, but, you know, and I'm assuming that's keeping down on the weight, but that's quite amazing, really. But that's all you have in the box. There really is nothing else in the box at all. So they've kept it simple, like the item itself. As you can see, it's, yeah, very small, very light. But it does everything you need it to do, I believe. So you've got 4 XLR ports at the top, headphone jacks, 4 of them on the bottom, and you've got your gain knobs and selectors. This is not a touchpad, by the way, and there's your sound pads, A, B, C and D there. On the side, yes, you've got connectors for your mobile phone, and also I believe there's a Bluetooth attachment that you can get to connect your smartphone. So that's great. There's your power on, and on the other side you've got your SD card slot holder, external power, and your USB connector. None of which are included in the box, I might add, but nevertheless, it's light, very light. Might get a little heavy when you put the batteries in, but other than that, you've just got the battery holders there, and that is about it. So in my next video, I'll actually be reviewing it after I've had a couple of hours to play with it, but that is the PodTrak P4.